The shape of your face says a lot about your sexuality, according to scientists. Is it possible to understand the attitude of a person towards the sex just by looking at his face? It appeared yes. You would be surprised, but according to the latest research, human's face can be a vivid indicator of person's sexuality. A group of Canadian researchers led by Stephen Arnott from the University of Nipissing came to the rather unexpected conclusion that the shape of a person's face can be related to how much he loves sex. According to scientists, people who have a broad and short face are the sexiest in this area. In some earlier studies, the correspondence between some features of human behavior and the relationship between length and height of his face has already been observed. To find out whether the person's relationship to sex depends on the form of a person's face, scientists conducted 2 surveys among adult students. At the first stage, psychologists interviewed 145 volunteers who are in a romantic relationship. In particular, the respondents told about their sexual behavior and how they communicate with other people. Also, the specialists calculated the ratio of the length and height of the faces of the participants. The second stage of the study as a whole was not too different from the first, but 314 people took part in it. Also, the number of questions was expanded this time. The specialists also tried to find out whether the respondents frequently changed their partners. As it turned out, it was people with broad but not high faces who were most actively seeking to have sex. At the same time, researchers argue that the trend they identified was spreading both to men and women. As experts suggest, this relationship can be explained by the amount of testosterone contained in the human body during the puberty period and at some other stages of life. The form of the face partially is dependent on this hormone and certain features of behavior, including the relationship to sex. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comment section below.